Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Today we're taking a look at two cases for the Samsung Galaxy Flip and Fold. These are from Speck. They're going to give you ultra protection, and they're going to look great too. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now both of these cases from Speck are going to give your phone the best protection. Best drop protection, as you can see, 13 feet on each. They have microband technology that keeps these uber safe or Now, both of these cases from Speck are going to give you great protection. They have microband technology as well as drop protection. Notice 13 feet on each, and they're just incredibly durable. Speck makes some really fantastic cases. And as you can see here, both of these in this case are clear cases. This one though has some bling to it. Nolo will probably steal this one. So let's take a look at what this one will look like right here. So all of them share common attributes when it comes to how well they protect your phone. Check this out. So we'll take a look at this one first. This one has a lot of bling in it, has some great protection on the side, has some heft to it. It's a little bit thicker on the sides because of the protection it's giving you. You can see how much protection you're getting right here. Let me bring this a little bit closer. You can see that right there. See how that kind of cutout is right there? So that's going to give you a lot of protection all the way around. If you were to drop your phone, has no sleeve or spine protection though, just to highlight that. And then you can see as you open it and close, it works really well. Which I can see if it supports wireless charging. So we'll put it on the wireless charger, and it does too. Now this next case for the Fold is a fully integrated. So typically we've seen a lot of cases that come in two separate pieces. And frankly, the front frame is a little weak. We have to say that. In this case, they're both super durable. So you can notice great protection on the side, but not enough to compromise the hinge mechanism and everything that's going on there. The one thing I'll highlight is, again, it does not have hinge protection or anything protecting it there. So we'll go ahead and snap this guy into place so that you can see how this looks, just like that. And then we'll do the same thing for the front one. And this is what it's going to look like, right? So notice the kind of protection. Let's bring that up a little bit so you guys can see it. Look at that. There's a lot going on there. You can see at the bottom here, great protection here. Ports are all exposed. No hinge protection, right? On the back, you can see the camera protection that you have. Great camera protection. Let's make sure that this is slid in all the way. There it is. You see how that aligns nicely. And then just overall, just feels good. Feels really nice. Let's see if this is going to wireless charge. Turn this on. There it goes. Wireless charges as well. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Presidio Perfect Clear for the Galaxy Fold, and then the Presidio Perfect Clear for the Flip with glitter. See you in the next video.